Hi, with Bitcoin halving just a few weeks ahead and prevailed COVID-19 induced crisis, it's pretty tempting for crypto community to wonder what would BTC price look like by mid-May. Although it's most likely for us to see a downward trend into Bitcoin and altcoin prices, I, being a crypto enthusiast, proponent, and a project owner in this space, would love to stay optimistic as always. So, if you want to stay optimistic too, given the BTC and altcoin price surges, then please keep watching. In an alternative scenario opposed to many price dip predictions, a COVID-19 induced global crisis could also accelerate innovation, pressuring crypto to evolve into a complete ecosystem which offers goods and services on a large scale and not just money. Therefore, what I have always been saying, and I would say that again to the crypto enthusiasts, specifically the project owners, we have to think about the crypto evolution at a macro scale. We have to think about an average user, that is buyers and the sellers in this space. We need to think about alternative distribution mechanisms and scalability. It's not enough to solve just one of the real world problems as we at MONET are doing in the mobile healthcare industry. We have to also solve all of them in order to build a robust community. Anyways, moving on to the main subject of today's video, which is Bitcoin price post-halving amid COVID-19. In my humble opinion, the halving event just a few weeks ahead could significantly impact the BTC price, hopefully positive upward trend. But why would halving certainly impact Bitcoin prices? Because the halving drops the amount of BTC that is mined as Bitcoin approaches its fixed supply of 21 million. Miners will earn less BTC after the halving for performing the same work, although some key analysts remain bearish on BTC price. Yet, few fundamental factors, in my opinion, could possibly prevent Bitcoin from retesting the $4,000 lows in the short term and stabilize the market. First, the inflow of investment into Tether, the most commonly utilized stablecoin in the global market, is fast increasing. Just imagine if billions of dollars of Tether parked on exchanges in the likes of Binance start to re-enter the cryptocurrency market and flow towards Bitcoin. It could surely protect Bitcoin from more downside. Second, altcoins like Ethereum and exchange tokens or alt tokens have been rallying alongside with BTC in the last several price increases. Both factors may potentially indicate that existing investors are willing to take on more risk out of the growing confidence towards the market. Third, the longer BTC USD pair can stay above 6,800 mark, the less likely it would be for the pair to fall back to levels around 4,000 or 5,000 US dollars. If Bitcoin can reclaim that yearly VWAP or volume weighted average price level of 7,200 during a whole week, then it's full steam ahead for the halving, again in my humble opinion. Not to forget that that there are still plenty of other factors in play likely to influence the Bitcoin prices in the run up to the halving in around 3 weeks time from today. The event of halving will have a significant impact on supply versus the demand, that is for sure. To keep the current price point after the halving, demand could possibly technically fall by 50% as well as the block reward. On the flip side, if demand stays the same, it should produce an increase in the price as Bitcoin is impossible to mine more quickly simply because more buyers wish to acquire it. Do let me know your views on my today's video. Please share this video within your Facebook groups, or if you're watching me on YouTube, do share it with your friends and family who may be interested in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.